Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to remove those annoying black bars in OBS Studio. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, open your OBS app on your computer. Once OBS launches, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see the menu bar. Click on File, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open a new window where you can adjust various configuration options for OBS. In the Settings window, you'll see a left panel with several categories listed. Click on Video. This section controls all your resolution and canvas settings, which is exactly what we need to fix those black bars. Now look for Base Canvas Resolution. This setting determines the overall size of your OBS canvas, essentially the workspace where all your sources are displayed. Right beside Base Canvas Resolution, click the drop-down menu. From here, select your monitor's native resolution. Since my monitor is 1080p, I'll select 1920 by 1080. Matching this to your actual monitor resolution ensures OBS captures the full screen without any unwanted borders. Next, look below at Output Scaled Resolution. This setting controls the final resolution of your recorded or streamed video. Right beside it, click the drop-down menu and again select your monitor resolution. For me, that's 1920 by 1080. Having both your base canvas and output resolution set to the same value prevents scaling issues that often cause black bars to appear around your content. Once you've adjusted both resolution settings, click Apply at the bottom right of the settings window. This saves your changes without closing the window. Then click OK to exit the settings menu and return to your main OBS interface. Now navigate to the Sources section in the bottom left area of your screen. This is where all your active sources like display captures, window captures, or game captures are listed. Right-click on the source you want to remove black bars from. A context menu will appear. Hover your mouse over Transform, and from the submenu that appears, select Fit to Screen. This option automatically adjusts your source to fill the entire canvas based on the resolution settings you just configured. If you still see black bars after applying Fit to Screen, don't worry. There's one more option to try. Right-click the same source again, hover your mouse over Transform, and this time select Stretch to Screen. This forces the source to fill the entire canvas completely, which should eliminate any remaining black bars, and there you have it. You've successfully removed those black bars from your OBS recording. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.